guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new here. If you've been around a while, welcome back. So today I am doing an unboxing. I bought my daughter a pea pod. It's deep pressure. I got it from an autism site. So the description of it is that it's durable, inflatable pea pod, is made with super strong vinyl and has tough triple welded seams for added strength. Most children on the autism spectrum can get in the pod themselves, applying deep, even pressure to many sensitive areas of the body. Some autistic children like to gently rock side to side for a cocooning, calm. I don't know if that was cut off, but it says the velvety surface is made with comfortable flock vinyl and applies gentle pressure. So I got hers in a medium/large and it's 60 inches long. They have one a little shorter, it's like 48 inches, and then they have one it's longer, and I think it's for adults or maybe 2 or 3 children could get in at a time. And so far as I know, the colors come in green and I think like a taupe color, I'm not sure. So I got this for her because she likes to get up under stuff. She likes to get up under stuff. Like if the girls are doing a virtual learning, she'll get up under their table and box herself in with her little foam blocks and things that I have. And so she likes to get in things, and I guess this is supposed to hug her. And so at night when she sleeps, she has a weighted blanket that I put on her, which helps her to calm and relax, and it helps her to go to sleep. And I'm also going to be ordering her a pillow, the same texture. So let's get started with this unboxing while she's quiet for a minute. So that was my instructions. What it is, what? Yeah, as soon as I'm finished, honey. So it has like all this bubble wrap. Yeah, I know y'all want to pop this, right? Yeah. So there's one. The girls want to pop the bubble wrap. Okay, so this just comes with like the packing slip information. It's autism products. And so it's the pea pod in medium, 60 inches, like I said. And so the color is like a green.
What's this for pop?
Okay. Jordan, get away from there. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. Wait a second for them all.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna save
this
mine
is
for a minute.
This is what the packaging is. So it just has like a warning. So I'm gonna take it out of the package now. So this is like got olive green color. That's enough, I said. Wait a second. So then I just have to like.
What?
And it has like these two handles right here. I guess for her to hold. I hope that she doesn't break this. So it has, and then it has like this valve, and I think the valve is for the blowing it up. Jordan, we're gonna need. Listen, I'm gonna need that the air pump. So I'm gonna inflate it, and I'm gonna. Hey, stop making all that noise in my video. I just said don't do that. Wait till I'm done. Jordan's gonna go get the pump, so I'm gonna inflate it as soon as she comes back.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Nah, trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little.
How you like it? Is it comfortable? I think I need those pieces to the to that pump and see if I can just pump it up a little bit more. Get inside, Jahiery.
You in your pea pod?
Here, let me see something.
Mom, what's this?
What?
What's this?
What is what?
That.
What? Oh, that's just a valve to keep it closed up. Let me see you get inside. Go inside. Go all the way down in there. Put your feet and stuff inside.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Get in there.
I will breathe.
Huh?
I can't. I will breathe.
You can't breathe?
I'm not.
Lay on your back.
You're going swimming?
Go.
Swimming.
Probably. Get in it and get inside.
You look similar. It's not funny.
You don't like it? How is it?
Look.
Is it giving you a hug? What are you doing?
Is that this?
Is it giving you a hug? Nope, you gotta sit down in it. So that's it, guys. It's just a little pea pod. Sit down. I don't know how long it's gonna stay, you know. So that's it, guys. We'll see how long. It says it's durable, so we'll see how long it lasts, because she can be kind of aggressive with things, and so I'm kind of concerned about the handles, just because I've just seen in different reviews that they tend to break. They did give me some patches and some glue. Hopefully I won't need those. I'll just kind of monitor her carefully when she's in it. So I'm going to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a like. And you want to say anything?
Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Jahiery, you wanted to say something?
Not yet.
Way to pay